Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be replying to some of your comments from last video.
Here's a teddy bear and some food. The teddy turns red when danger. When it looks normal, you're safe.
Thanks for the food and the cute teddy bear.
Since you just got here, have an eye angel. It will protect you for a while, but not permanently. Their wings are soft, and their presence should calm you down, as well as a PB&J sandwich in case you get hungry.
Thank you for the eye angel and sandwich. I'll eat it later.
Well, if you got into that place, maybe go back the same way you came in. And if that doesn't work or you can't remember, safely and carefully explore your surroundings and look for an exit. Hope it helps Ruby.
Sadly, I can't remember where I came from, but I can explore for a while. I got a bit tired, so I'll stay here for now.
Scream, Doctor, I'm awake 3 times.
That's a weird request, but okay then. Doctor, I'm awake, doctor, I'm awake, doctor, I'm awake. Nothing happened. Maybe yell help, help, help as loud as you can. Help, help. I think I woke something up. I think I'm safe here. Comment what I should do next.